Okay, so you have better lighting?
I don't know.
Want to call him out? Call him out.
Baron. Raleigh. Come here. I want to show you something. Come down here. Come out here.
How did you know?
Hold on, wait a minute. Come here. I got a surprise for you.
Oh, I know it. You got me. You got me a dog.
You think so?
Yeah.
I don't know. Where?
I can't see his paws.
You can see it?
Yeah. Told you.
Look. Aw.
Hi, Puppy, Puppy.
Oh,
Oh.
say hi to Raleigh. Raleigh, say hi to her.
Hi.
Say hi. Come here. Come here. Say hi to Raleigh. Say hi to Raleigh over here. Hey, come here. Sit. 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 You were sitting so nice in the car. Okay. On it.
She says, I'm too excited.
You're too excited.
What is this? Where am I?
Look at this. You explore. Well, what do you think,
Look
kid?
at that puppy. I like it.
Yeah?
Me too. I like it.
You think we should keep her?
Yeah.
Do you?
Yeah.
Do
you want her?
Are you guys going to be good kids if we keep her?
Yeah.
And you help Daddy pick up the poopies?
Mhm.
Yeah? And you'll feed her and love her and play with her and never be mean to her?
No hitting.
Okay. No hitting, because she's just a doggy. You love her? She won't hurt you.
She's not going to hurt you, honey. She's really a nice girl.
You can even hug her.
What's her name?
They said her name was Miss B.
Miss B.
Miss B.
Oh, wait. We can name her something else. If you can.
You want to change that name?
Yeah.
What do you want to name her?
That hurt.
Huh?
I hurt my finger.
Oh, be careful.
to name her Daisy.
Daisy?
No.
No, that's Grandma's doggy. Daisy is Grandma's doggy. You need a whole new name.
She really loves me.
Want to hold her, Raleigh?
Hold
You know how to
tight.
hold a leash, right?
Yeah.
Remember?
Okay.
Jimmy showed you how to hold that
What she
leash?
showed you. And hold tight in case she sees a birdie or a kitty, because she will chase them. She will pull you right down.
I'll go get her dish and we'll give her some water, okay?
No, puppy.
Okay, hold
Stay
on.
there. Stay.
Come here. Come here, Miss B. Come here, baby. Hi, sweetie pie. Doesn't she look cute? You see her spiky collar? Come here, Miss B. Come here. Hi, sweetie. Hi.
She loves you too. Hi, sweetie.
Kiss
You
the
like
camera.
camera.
Hold on.
Come back here.
Be nice. Be nice.
She loves you. She loves you because you got her stuff.
Yep.